So I'm usually behind the register, but I guess someone didn't show up today, so they got me on maintenance. I'm doing restrooms, sweeping the lot, doing trash, wiping the pumps, and dust. And dusting is basically taking everything off the shelf, checking for expiration dates, wiping down the whole shelf, and then putting everything back. I got boss over there on the register. I asked if I can do all the maintenance. We were gonna split it, but you know, I wanna make it a video. This the dumpster and shit. Y'all know what a dumpster is. Just chuck that. More trash, chuck it. One hand, recording with the other. No, I can't. I gotta put y'all down there. Bro, some unidentified juice just went on my foot, bro. And I'm trying not to tweak. I'm trying not to tweak, bro. It went like in my heel, bro.
I'm doing coffee right now.
I'm gonna be real with you, bro. I'm sorry, bro. A tiny bit of like unidentified liquid like kind of dripped right here. But I'm gonna go wait though.
You're lying, bro.
But it wasn't a lot though. All right, I just got to the dumpster with the last trash bag. So I finished all the trash. So I pretty much just asked for boss to stay at the register and asked if I could do all the maintenance so I can give you all the full experience on YouTube, you know what I mean? And then she said, brace yourself, there might be shit on the walls. And then she showed me a picture of a broken toilet. I guess someone broke a toilet somehow. I don't know what I'm getting myself into, but like and subscribe, all right? Like and subscribe. I'm gonna get the men's room out the way. Bro, this shit's like clean. I'm sued. I won. I literally won. This shit cleaner than a motherfucker. Okay, this kind of gross. But there's some paper towel, wipes, and some spray, some purple spray. I think I'm gonna start off with the paper towel and spray. I just wiped the toilet seat, top and bottom. All right, now I'm gonna do the sink. Now I guess I'll sweep it. There's like a little bit of paper towel on the floor, and then I'm gonna mop it. And then I'm pretty much good after that, I think. The mop bucket got filled with the hose right here. I didn't see there was a little hose. And then we just put the same spray that we use to clean the toilets and stuff. Let's get to it. Easy enough. The bathroom's only so big. You know what I mean? Can't take that long to mop. Probably gonna skip the women's bathroom because it's probably gonna be very similar, so we'll just see what's next. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. The women's bathroom reeks. Forgot to say I took the bathroom trash out and I dumped the mop bucket down the lot. So this whole parking lot and the other side, I gotta sweep all of it, make sure there's no cigarette butts, leaves, trash, like nothing. Like, gotta sweep it all. So yeah, this is my first time doing this, so I'm gonna get started. Yeah, so this is gonna take a while. I gotta sweep the whole parking lot, obviously, so I'll let y'all know when I'm done. It's just sweeping. So I'm still in the beginning of sweeping, and this is already the most annoying part, but I'm just gonna be grateful that there wasn't shit on the walls when I was cleaning the bathroom. And I'll keep y'all updated on the next thing. I'm about to start wiping these pumps. This one's like, you know, self-explanatory. You just wipe the pump. Like, they're pretty much all self-explanatory, but you know. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna do on the other pumps. I don't need to show y'all every pump. Y'all get it, right? All right, next shit. All right, so I just took everything off this shelf. This is just one shelf in the whole store. And I gotta wipe it down. I'm not gonna lie, that's annoying. Like, that's really annoying. This is just one shelf in the whole store. Like, this is like one layer of one shelf. There's no way that people do this. Like, everything else I did today seemed reasonable. This does not seem reasonable. Everything, like every single item off every shelf, like off every layer of the shelf, checking the expiration date and wiping down the freaking thing. Bro. How am I gonna... Bro. Alright, so we just got off work. The maintenance shit was kind of like okay, but at the end it was kind of ass with those shelves. I definitely didn't finish. I probably did like 2 shelves, but in my defense, we did start maintenance late. So, how was your day at the register?
Register was good. I ran that bitch smoothly. No problems for real. I just didn't want to do maintenance because they really had me fucked up with that checking expiration and shit. I got hired to be a cashier. That's what I got hired for. I'm not doing maintenance. I'm not.
Alright, so if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Don't ever buy no weed from the gas station, bro.